Okay, in this question we are given that a car insurance company wanted information about the age of its customers. From a sample of 48 randomly selected customers, the mean was 38.7 years. So I'm highlighting things here. And the standard deviation was 14.5 years. So this is what we are given. And then the question is, construct the following confidence intervals. So we want to make confidence intervals, and they're giving you the confidence levels. So let me, for the first one, make the color red around it for 90% confidence, and then let's put orange for 95% confidence, and let's do black for 99% confidence. So what I'm going to do is now I'm counting on the fact that you have seen parts 1 and 2 on confidence intervals. So this way I can move a little bit more quickly than in parts 1 and 2. Because in this case we want to construct 3 confidence intervals at different confidence levels. So let's start with the first one, A. I want 90% and 90% confidence. So 90% confidence, let's say confidence level, our confidence level implies, if you use the Z table, you'll get that our critical value Z sub alpha over 2, and I'm leaving this for you because we did 2 examples already in parts 1 and 2 on confidence intervals. This will be for part C, we need to do the 99% confidence level. So this will give me, if you watch parts 1 and 2, to compute Z sub alpha over 2, the critical value, if you do it, you will get 2.575. So make sure that you understand how I get these values of Z sub alpha over 2. They are all from the Z table. But again, watch parts 1 and 2 to understand how to use the table to get them and what do they mean really. And so from this, you can get that the margin of error E is going to be this Z sub alpha over 2 times the same thing as the parts A and B, S over radical N. And if you do this computation, you will get 5.4. And so this was our margin of error for 99% confidence. And this will imply, if you want now to compute the 99% confidence interval, then it is again the same formula. It's just take X bar, the sample mean, subtract the margin of error, and then add the margin of error. And if you do it with the numbers that we have, you will get exactly 33.3, 44.1. And so this last one is going to be our 99% confidence interval. There is only one thing that I want you to notice before I finish this video is look at the confidence intervals themselves. Okay, so let's look in part A. We wanted 90% confidence, and we got this interval. Yeah, okay, you see this? And then in part 2, we wanted 95% confidence, and we got this interval. Which one of these intervals is larger? Notice it is the one for 95% confidence. So the radius of this interval becomes larger when you want a higher level of confidence. So the higher the level of confidence, the bigger the confidence interval will be. And you can see for the last one, for the 99% confidence level, our confidence interval was the biggest one out of the 3 confidence intervals that we computed in this example. So this is just important. And why is it so? Notice that the margin of error depends on Z sub alpha over 2. In all of them, it is Z sub alpha over 2 times S over root N. So notice that for 90% confidence, the Z is 1.645. Then for 95% confidence, it's 1.96, so it's more. That's why the margin of error will be more. And of course, for 99% confidence, this is the largest of the 3 values of z sub alpha over 2, and that is why our confidence interval becomes larger if we want our confidence level to be higher. And I hope that by now you know how to solve such questions. There is only one more part that after this one, try to solve it without looking at my solution first, and then check with my solution. And I will stop here.